In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logistics account in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have a dedicated place to track all of your shipping, freight, and delivery costs so your reports stay clear and your expenses are easy to analyze. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and heading to your company's homepage. From here, open your chart of accounts. You can find it from the main navigation under Accounting, then Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of every account your books use, and it's exactly where we'll add the new logistics account. Once the chart of accounts is open, look for the New button and select it to create a fresh account. A setup panel will appear where you'll define what this account is and how it behaves in your books. In the account name field, type logistics. Keep the name simple and consistent so your team immediately knows what to choose when recording shipping or courier charges. If there's a description box, you can add a short note such as shipping, freight, and delivery costs to make the purpose even clearer in reports and searches. Next, set the account type. Open the drop-down and choose expenses. This tells QuickBooks that money posted here reduces your profit, which is exactly what you want for operational costs, like shipping. Now open the detail type drop-down. Pick shipping and delivery expense. The detail type fine-tunes where this account appears on your financial statements and helps standardize reporting. If you don't see every option at first, scroll the list until you locate shipping and delivery expense, then select it. Double-check what you've entered. The name should be logistics. The account type should be expenses, and the detail type should be shipping and delivery expense. This combination keeps your logistics costs grouped correctly and makes them easy to filter in profit and loss reports. When everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks will add the logistics account to your chart of accounts, and you'll see it listed among your expense accounts. From now on, whenever you enter a bill, expense check, or vendor payment related to shipping or delivery, choose logistics as the category. That keeps those costs out of generic buckets and gives you a clean view of what you're spending to move products. If you ever need to tweak the name or description later, you can return to the chart of accounts, locate logistics, and edit it. But for now, you're all set. You've successfully created a dedicated logistics expense account in QuickBooks Online.